zihlanganiselwa ngaphakathi kwalomakhiweni ubonako zichukulelelwe kiwo wonke amalimi nathi hlangana size kuwe sisatshisa nanzi ezijujuleko.
For one to be able to go fight a war that is not with their own country, there is certain processes that need to be followed, and those were not followed.
Bavele khothoka amaregistrata weKempton Park abasolwa ngokuba nesandla ekuthunyelweni kwamaSewula Afrika eRussia bona bayokuthwaselwa ukujula.
He used to call them amangilos. He calls them amangilos like angels. Those who are angels, these are the ones who are actually promoted.
Umphathi walokya kumasipalata weKuruleni uDr Mashaz utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga bona ngunabomma ebebakhahlonyezwa ngokomseme abanye babo bagcina sebanabantwana nesikhulu esiphezulu.
To encourage South Africans to go to facilities and get tested.
Nasifika thini siyabakhuthaza ukuthi kubalekile kunase treatment.
Namhlanje kukhunjulwa abantu abathethwe intumbantonga kunjalo nje kukhuthazwa abanayo bona basele intshoka ngefanele. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele Lotshani Makhaya. Umphathi walokya kumasipalata weKuruleni uDr Imogen Mashaz uvele phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga angakhanuki ngombana lila ngokuthi akhange anikelwe isikhathi esaneleko sokulungiselela isitatimende sakhe ngemva kokuthatha umhlalaphasi.
Usihlalo wekomishini le uJustice Mbuyiseli Madlanga unikele uDr Mashaz ithuba lokuthi asekele ubufakazi bakhe okulandela insolo abe kwazona lokha abofakazi abanye nabethula ubufakazi babo. uMashazi uqalene nensolo zokuvikela isekela lomphathi weEMPD uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. uDr Mashazi ubuye waveza nokuthi batsho kunamapholisa wendlela kamasipalata weKuruleni abomma eza kuye azokulila ngendaba yokukhahlonyezwa ngokomseme. Nanyana kunjalo utshele ikomishini le ukuthi akekho namunye kibommabo owafaka isililo sakhe ngokomthetho kubaphathi. uDr Mashazi ungezelele ngokuthi yena wafaka ihlelo lokuthuthukisa abomma ngomnqopho wokusiza abomma abasebenzela umasipalata lo ukuthi bafumane inkhundla bazuze nenkhundla zobuholi kilo masipalata.
What is important in terms of defeating the ends of justice and chief working closely with some law enforcement agencies that nothing happens to him. It is actually concerning that the rape case is opened and nothing happens to him.
uDr Mashazi utshele ikomishini le ukuthi batsho yena wafumana imibiko ethi umphathi wamapholisa wendlela kamasipalata uIsaac Mapeyiye wakata abomma ebebasebenza ngaphasi kwakhe wabe waba nabantwana nabanye babo ngombana bekasebenzisa kumbi amandla anikelwe wona. Bewatsho nokuthi uMapeyiye bekabiza abomma ebebasebenza ngaphasi kwakhe ngabo my angels okutsho ukuthi zingelozana zakhe.
The pattern of behavior described is deeply troubling and reflects a systematic abuse of authority by the chief of police. And he used to call them amangilos. He calls them amangilos like angels. Those who are angels, these are the ones who are actually promoted.
Nakabuzisiswa ukuthi bobani amagama abo abommabo nokuthi bangaki abantwana ekukhulunywa ngababo. uDr Mashazi ubhalile ukunikela ngesibalo wathi batsho akafuni ukudurhisa ikomishini le. Nanyana kunjalo uqinisekisile ukuthi wazi amapholisa amabili wendlela abomma akhathlunyezwa nguMapeyiye ngokomseme. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba zeSABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Yiphiko labofokisa amaHawks lithi ngabakhona ikhonakalo yokuthi kube nabanye abantu ababotshwako balungana nezwa ngobatsho yokuthenjiswa namkha yokuthunyelwa kwamaSewula Afrika bathenjiswa umsebenzi wokuthasuzela ubujoni epini phakathi kweRussia neUkraine. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana bavele ekhothoka amaregistrata weKempton Park abasolwa abahlanu abasolwa ngokuphula umthetho wokulakulwa kwendaba zezipi zamazwe angaphandle iRegulation of Foreign Military Assistance Act. Abasolwa laba babotshwe ngempela veke nabe baya khona eRussia icala labo lisuliselwe iveke zako.
'Ipiko labofokisa amaHawks lithi ngabakhona ikhonakalo yokuthi kube nabanye abantu ababotshwako balungana nezwa ngobatsho yokuthenjiswa namkha yokuthunyelwa kwamaSewula Afrika bathenjiswa umsebenzi wokuthasuzela ubujoni epini phakathi kweRussia neUkraine. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana bavele ekhothoka amaregistrata weKempton Park abasolwa abahlanu abasolwa ngokuphula umthetho wokulakulwa kwendaba zezipi zamazwe angaphandle iRegulation of Foreign Military Assistance Act. Abasolwa laba babotshwe ngempela veke nabe baya khona eRussia icala labo lisuliselwe iveke zako.
Unenkululeko Mantula, uThulani Mazibuko, uXolani Ntuli, uSiphamandla Chabalala kunye noSifiso Mabhena bavele kafeaturesana ekhotho kaMagistrata weKempton Park. Basolwa ngokubandakanyeka endabeni yokulinga ukusiza iRussia epini ngokungemthetho.
OR Tambo SAPS noticed suspicious people who were at a boarding gate, and they managed to contain them, which followed an interview. During that interview, it was amassed that these people were allegedly on their way to Russia.
Bekbenje akunasiqiniseko sokubana abasolwa abadoselwe njani endabeni le kanti bobahlanu nje ngeBegauteng kanti asazoqinisekisa indima elunyongume ekuthiwa batsho nguye odosa abasolwa.
For one to be able to go fight a war that is not with their own country, there is certain processes that need to be followed, and those were not followed.
Unina lika Chabalala ngomunye wabasolwa uthi abantwana abakwabona abagalajiwe uthi kufika indoda yathi batsho bayokufunda imfundo ze-engineering eRussia.
Baba ufikile la wafika wamtshela ukuthi uSiphamandla uyahamba eRussia uyosebenza khona. Bayosebenza engineering, basithembisa ukuthi abantwana bayosebenza. Manje intizwa yami ibhlungu ngoba umntwana akekho manje. Usejayile manje ngendaba umuntu omdala.
Ixotha lombuso liveza ukuthi kungenzeka singaphikiswa isibawo sebail.
There is a good possibility that the state will, after certain preliminary investigations regarding the granting of bail, that the state will not object to the granting of bail.
AmaHawks athi iphenyo liyaraga kanti ayelelisa abantu ukuthi batsheje bayelele lokho nabafaka imbawo zomsebenzi baqinisekisa ukuthi indawo leyo lapho kuthiwa batsho kuvula amathuba omsebenzi khona ikhona nami. Abasolwa bazokubuyela ekhotho iveke ezako ukufaka isibawo sebail.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uqinisekise ukuzibophelela kwakahulumende ekuvaleni isikhala sokufumana imitshoka ye-HIV ne-TB ngejima lelizwe elibizwa Close the Gap. uMashatile bekakhuluma nabathwayelanga i-World AIDS Day Hamasemula eLimpopo.
Nonyaka nje ilangili lithwe ngesiqubulo esithi Renewed Efforts and Sustainable Commitments to End AIDS. Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uveze ukuthuthuka kweSouth Africa ekulweni ne-HIV kunye ne-TB. Imbalobalo zakhathesi ziveza bona abantu abamaphesente ama-96 wabantu abaphila ne-HIV elizweneli bayazi ukuthi baswelekile. Abamaphesente ama-80 bathatha imitshoka kanti kilabo abathatha imitshoka abamaphesente ama-97 bakhonile ukugongobalisa ingogwana lemi. uMashatile uthi nanye nituthuka ikhona kusese nenjijilo ekufumaneni abantu abangathathi imitshoka njengombana abantu abayi-1.1 million bangathathi imitshoka.
ARVs have reduced vertical transmission of HIV to below 2% in South Africa, allowing children born to HIV positive mothers to achieve healthy milestones. And this is what Ubuntu means when it becomes policy.
Zempilo uDokotela Aaron Motsoaledi uthi langeli liqinisekisa ukuqeda intumbandonga ngomnyaka 2030 kodwa lokho kungenzeka ngokusebenzisana.
Eneridiphile ngwaga ki 2025 luhono ridiphile ngwaga gore ka 2030 we must have eliminated HIV and AIDS as a public health threat. Arisa inyaka
uMtsoaledi uthi kunehlelo litsha lokuthi labo abathatha imitshoka bathola imitshoka yenyanga ezisithandathu ukuqedito yokuthi umuntu abhalelwe ukuya emtholapilo ayokuthatha amapilisi. I-UNAIDS ithi nanyana kuqindwe imali HIV ne-AIDS kodwa eSouth Africa iyalwa ukuqeda umlwana lo.
Despite the funding cuts, PLHIV sector, through the Treatment Action Campaign, continued to collect data from more than 33,000 people in 19 districts. Today, South Africa funds nearly 80% of its HIV response, a commitment unmatched in sub-Saharan Africa.
uMashatile uthi South Africa iqalene nokwehla kwe-TB ne-HIV. Umbiko we-TB we-World Health Organization waka-2025 ophumnyaka epheleleko uveza bona abantu abayi-1.23 million ephasini zombelele babulewe yi-HIV ne-TB kanti abayi-54,000 barekhode ekhethwapha.
You can serve them with the music.
Kani eMpumalanga umnyango wezempilo usemagadangweni okulwa nokukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantu abathoyeleke nge-HIV and AIDS. Umnyango lo uhloniphe ngokusemthethweni abasebenzi bezempilo emphakathini namkha emphakathi embombela ngokubanikela amakontraka okusebenza wasafuthi.
Kugidingwe i-World AIDS Day ngokuhlonipha abasebenzi bezempilo. Abasebenzi aba bavakatshele amakhaya wabantu ukuyobasiza ngemraro ephathelene nezempilo. Usomkhandlu wezempilo usasekani Manzini uthi abasebenzi bezempilo abasebenza emphakathini baqhakatheke khulu ekukhandeleni ukurhatsheka kobulwele be-HIV and AIDS. Uthi isifundesi sisebenza kuhle emzameni yabo yokuphumelelisa isilinganiso se-UNAIDS senembo le-95-95-95 ngo-2030.
They go door to door. They also assist us in terms of the follow-up. Remember, Minister launched the 1.1 million gap in the country for those people who have tested positive, but now they went to take treatment, no longer taking it, or they did not take treatment at all.
Abasebenzi bezempilo abasebenzela umphakathi bathi imisebenzi abo ilethe imphumela emihle.
I'd like to encourage South Africans to go to facilities and get tested. To those who don't know their status, and then those who know their status, they must adhere to treatment.
Nasifika thini siyabakhuthaza ukuthi kubalekile kunase treatment ngoba le i-treatment kufana ukuthi chronic uphila nayo noma ngabe legciwane ubona ngasemtimbeni usase right but awuyekeli i-treatment.
Iziko i-Uram Institute embombela lithi basebenzisa ihlelo lokuhlolwa kwabantu ngokungena umuzi ngomuzi ukuthi bahlole ubujamo babo khulukhulu amadoda.
When men are given that interpersonal care and support, they do test, they do also get to stay on treatment. We've tested over 2,000 men in the Hlanzeni area, and we have about over 430 men that have been remaining on treatment.
Imbalobalo zamva nje zitshengise ukuthi pheze yi-8.8 million yabantu beSouth Africa pha abaphila nobulwele be-HIV nekusibalo esibalola ku-12.7% sabantu belizweli.
Asizwe umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba ephela kule.
Ungathi bangazwisisa ukuthi nemali bakhone ba-understand basele imchoka le yengongwane le.
Inkinga yiloko nje ukuthi ngoba sibuye siyeke ukudla amaphilisi kanti phela amaphilisi wona siphilisayo.
Kufuneka sibakhuthaze ukuthi le philisi inye njengemini uthathe le philisi uphile ubomi bakho ngendlela eyiyo.
Faneke bayithathe bakhuthale basele bazokwazi ukuthi baphile isikhathi eside.
Kufuneka kwenziwe ama-campaign ama-awareness abantu bakhona ukuthi bavuseleleke nasemoyeni.
Siyaphela nalanto yabantu ukuthi bayabaleka bayoyipiye emaklinikhi yothatha ama-treatment. Bona ngathi abantu mina sebaba-free sebakhululeka sebamkela.
Wonke umuntu mhlawumbe odla i-treatment eyilandelele yonke inqubomgomo yakhona.
Ukulisa imichoga kubeka impilo yabo engozini. Nabantu abasondelene nabo abasakhona ukubahlogomela kuhle.
Thina singumndeni nangabe sinalo lelunga leliphethwe ngelesifo kumele ukuthi siligcugcutele ukuthi liqhubeke liwanathe emaphilisi.
Umbono ngeumbukele SABC ayizokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Nasibuya amalunga amabili Operation Tudula inikelwe ibheli amaranda azinkulungwana ezilithumi umuntu ngamunye. uStephen Mkhize noBush Mahlangu babotshwe ngenyanga epheleleko nabe bachakala nqanga lapha bekubanjelwe khona umhlangano we-G20. Baqalene namacala wokuphehla induhu emphakathini, ukubetha nokulimaza ngesihluku. Basolwa nangokulwa namapholisa khona lapho. Abekathiba amalunga wemkhondo wesizwe party ne-Operation Tudula ukudanga caba indlela.
Ikhiphe isinqumo sengebheyili inkosi yenkantolo ithe labasolwa baqashe ummeli ozimele bangathatha wamahala bangamhlinzekwa umbuso uma bemdinga. Wathi njengoba benayo imali yokumkhokhela okusho ukuthi banayo imali yokukhokha ibheyili.
Gentlemen, your matter is remanded back in this court for further investigation. Both accused will remain in custody. Bail is fixed in an amount of 10,000 for each accused.
ummeli wabasolo uthi nakuba bengeneme ngeindodla zemali ekhokhwe ngenxa yebheli kodwa bayasihlonipha isinqumo senkantolo.
Lokho asikujabuleli kodwa siyahlonipha isinqumo esithathwe inkantolo. Yebo, I am representing uSipho Mahlangu no Stephen Mkhize who are charged with public violence, bacharged futhi nge-common assault.
uMakananesa uthi bazoyihlonipha nembandela ebekweyinkantolo efaka phakathi ukuthi abasolwa babike kumphenyi wecala uma befuna ukuphumela ngaphandle kwesifundazwe.
Inkantolo futhi iphinde yathi ukuthi mabefisa ukuthi baphume out of the province fanele bathole imvume from the IO. So the IO will give permission. So if they wish to go out of the province, they will have to get permission from the IO.
Kulombhikisho kwalimala amaphoyisa amabili omkhandlu udolobha iGoli kanye nelungu elilodwa la South African Police Service. Laba balimala babe sebephuthunyiswa esibhedlela beyokwelashwa. Igama lami nguKalvin wakwaDludla. Eindabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisenkantolo yeMantshi eBoys.
Nasibuya entolo.
Maye ngithokoza kangangani ngiboroge wheelchair ukatiyela mara kosa bakuguke wawana kora kwaske bokhona ukuthi uhlala ugugwana kwenye na yenye.
Ubele yazi ifike ngisararekile.
Abantu abanokukhubazeka ukwenza bathloke inhlalo zabakhubazekileko. Bababaze uChristmas obafikele namaviaviyane kaChristmas angakafiki. Sisadakane indaba lapha mbukeli nasikuphundileko uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku-Facebook. Nambasikhala. Abantu abanokukhubazeka endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko kwaNdebele eMpumalanga bathi uChristmas ubafikele phambi kwesikhathi nonyaka nje. Bakhulume lokhu ngesikhathi inhlangano ezingasebenzeli inzuzo iLesedi Pathway Foundation neSpeed Mashilo Foundation noMasipalatawe Thembisile zinikela ngenhlalo zabakhubazekileko eVezibuhle eMpumalanga namhlanje. Mbeki indaba uSABC uComfort Masombuka sihlanganisele nakumbiko. Kezemali, iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Usele amalanga ambalwa ngaphambi kwemidlalo yeBig AFCON. Umbanduli webafana bafana uHugo Broos umemezele abadlali besichema sakhe abama-25 abaya eMorocco inyanga le.
We have to be confident and we have to try to do at least the same thing than 2 years ago, so arriving in the semi-finals. Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss and Sifo Chain. Defenders, Kuliso Mudau, Nkonsinati Sibisi, Mbekezele Mbokazi, Aubrey Modiba, Tabang Matuludi, Siabonga Ngezana, Kulumani Ndamane, Samukelo Kabini, and Tylen Smith. Midfielders, Tebogo Mokoena, Talente Mbata, Batusi Obas, and Spehele Sitole. Strikers, Muhau Nkota, Elias Mokwana, Sifo Mbule, Rele Borile Mofokeng, Oswin Apolis, Tsepang Moremi, Chandre Campbell, Lyle Foster, and Evidence Magopa.
Mbukeli angisale sengithula indombi yakunthimba zakongwanile ubusa emathebula esethulela ubujamo bezulu.
sikulotshise mbukele ekhaya ngomvulo silkhe salithola lapha izulu ngapha ngeGauteng akhe sicale nokho sibona lapha ke livale ngamafu ngale ngeNorthern Cape livulile ngale ngeJingalanga Kapa amathuba wezulu athi nge30% esifundeni sangapha ngePumalanga Kapa nge60% ukuthoma lapha kwaZulu Natal ukuchinga esifundeni seMpumalanga ngapha ngeFreystata ngeGauteng nakezinye indawo zangaleke ngeNorthwest siyocala ukuthi kusasa abanjani na abamanengihle amathuba wezulu nge80% ukusuka ngale ngakubophulukwana uRabhule uze ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng chinga esifundeni seMpumalanga ngaleke ngeKZN nge80% yonke kanti ke ngapha ke siwabona endaweni zangeFree State nge60% lisavulile ke ngapha ngeJingalanga yesifunda sangale angithi lapha ke eSouth Africa sithole lapha ke isilemukiso semjijo iduma kumbi kuthindeke khulukhulu lapha isifunda sangaleke ngeLimpopo ngapha ngeMpumalanga ngathi nangapha ngeGauteng nakezinye indawo zakwaZulu Natal siyokucalela ukuthi kusasa sithole siphina unekhonakalo yemlilo yemango ngaleke ngeNorthern Cape nangaleke ngeJingalanga Kapa kanti ke lapha imjijo eduma kumbi lapho ubona khona imbala esarulana sigijime sokucala ukuthi ngapha ngeGauteng anjana amazinga ukuchisa sibona lapha ke ePitori nge27 lapha ke Bronkhorstspruit nge25 neJohannesburg kufuthumele nge25 siyalapha ke esifundeni sangeLimpopo sibona ke kuchisa lapha eThohoyandou Phalaburwa ukuthi ke lapha ephulukwane neBilabila kufuthumele iMpumalanga leya ke ebonakala ke ifuthumele boMiddelburg Malahleni Vezubuhle kuchisa lapha esikhukhuza nge30 iKwaZulu Natal ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuchisa lapha eLundi nge30 nakhona ngale ngePumalanga Kapa silibona lipholile lapha endaweni zeWilomo kanti ngezinye indawo zonke pheze lifuthumele ngale ngeJingalanga Kapa kubonakala Cape Town nge26 ifuthumele lapha ke indawo zeMossel Bay neGeorge kupholile asiyocala ngale ngeNorthern Cape sibona ke liyachisa endaweni eziningi iFreystata nayo ke iyachisa endaweni eziningi kanti ke nesifunda sangale ke ngeNorth West sibona lapha lifuthumele liyangokuchisa sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Tido